SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off auto capitalization on an iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone has a setting where it can automatically capitalize proper nouns and the first word after punctuation. But if you would prefer that it doesn't do this, and you would like to simply capitalize words that you want to capitalize on your own, then you can turn off auto capitalization by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the General option from this menu. And then you can scroll down again and select the keyboard option here. Now you just need to find the auto capitalization option under all keyboards and tap the button to the right of it to turn it off. Now your iPhone is no longer going to automatically capitalize the words that it had been doing so to in the past. If you would like to change any of the other keyboard settings on your device, such as predictive text or auto correction, then you can also choose to turn those settings off here as well.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.